In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Exness Real account. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your personal area, the dashboard on Exness with your account, and then you want to click on Trading top left and click on My Accounts. After you do that, make sure that over here you switch to Real, okay? So you have the option of Real and Demo, switch to Real first, and then click on Open an Account. And up here, you first have to select what account you want to open. So you have the standard account options and the professional accounts. So select the one you want and then click on continue. Here, you again have to select the real account. Make sure it's not demo, but real, okay? And then here, you have to select your account currency you would like to use, the nickname for this standard account, which is going to be standard for me, or just we're going to do tutorial for this one, and then your maximum leverage, which can also be selected. I'm going to do 1 to 100, there we go, and then here the platform as well. So if you want to trade on MT5 or MT4, click on these, but if you just want to trade using the Exness terminal, you can use that as well. If you want tutorials on how to actually trade on MT5 or MT4, I have these on my channel. You can search them up as well, and I'll guide you through it. Here, I'm just going to go for Exness and then click on Create Account. And after you do that, as you can see, you've successfully created your account over here. That's the tutorial account. You can then go ahead and deposit money on here and then go ahead and hit trade button. It's going to take you to Exness, a web terminal, and you can just start trading. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.